Hello everybody, how you all doing? Are you here okay? In your neck of the woods? That is for who don't understand the patois. But who know the patois and know the lick. What up? What up? Manners and respect. Are your girl, Debbie from down a yard man. You know pretty? Yep. Yeah. And this little video here now, you know summertime. It's like beverages and salads and all of that. So I have some right here. I have some nice cucumber. They're cool, well cool, and I have some reasonably nice tomatoes. So I'm gonna make you all a little cucumber and tomato salad. Yeah, you know, summertime we're gonna go outside. Lots and lots of barbecuing, and you know them salad with a barbecue. You know the lick. With beer and with salad and with barbecue, with chicken jerk, with you know them. Listen to me. And hello, please. If you feel like you're not understanding and you're having a barbecue and you're having your thing and you don't know how you deal with it, hook me up, now, man. Hook me up, man. Yeah, man. You know how to get on to me. If not, we'll leave it in the comments below. That's what I do. Okay? Nevertheless, we're not straight from the point. So I'm gonna make you all a little cucumber and tomato salad. But first, I want to start with the dressing. Right? I am gonna use some honey. I'm gonna use some Worcestershire. I'm gonna use some garlic. And I'm gonna use some ginger, and maybe, just maybe we use a little apple cider vinegar. Maybe, not sure. When we get the blend, we'll let you know. So we're gonna start out with 3 tablespoons of honey. I could have easily well do it, you know, roughly, but I just want to show you all for who just want to just try it. 3 tablespoons, they never full up, so we just put a little extra. And it's half and half for the Worcestershire and for the honey. So it's 3 tablespoons of honey, 3 tablespoons Worcestershire. 1, 2, we're making mess already. 3. Alright, in we go. These out the way. To this now, we're gonna grate 3. If you have bigger pegs, you can use probably 1.5, but 3 medium size or small pegs of garlic. Zoom right in, let them see what is really happening. Yeah? So we're going 3. We have a chunk of garlic here. Normally I don't peel my garlic or scrape it, but in this instance, I've already done that. No, sorry, this is ginger. Sorry guys, sorry. So look at me, look at what I have. I might not use all, but so it seems like I used about a half. Whoops, don't you dare. But look here, after we kitchen, if you drop in there, we take it out, you know. After we kitchen. Alright. Get right in on it, let them see it. So you're going to whisk it out. Alright? We're gonna whisk it out right in. See there? So it's honey, Worcestershire, garlic, ginger. Alright. We wanna taste now. Hold on. Let us try a little lime juice instead of, because the Worcestershire, it has that nice. Okay guys, we're going in with a little lime juice. Can't get no big lime out here guys. No, not at this time. Lime sort of hard, and we don't want to use lemon. We want to use lime because the lemon, it has a different taste from the lime. So we're trying to get a little lime juice. Don't want to use the apple cider because the lime, it has a different gauge. So I would say we get about I'm not sure, maybe about a quarter of a teaspoon of lime juice out of these. We would have wanted a little more, but we didn't get all. So let us work with that. But because even though it looked like we got a small amount, we didn't want a lot inside here. We just want to get the gig. So let's go. And we're gonna taste. Yup. Okay, we're gonna put this in our freezer, your deep freeze, wherever you are. Just leave it to chill until we finish with the chopping of the tomato and the cucumber. Cover off my lens. Okay, now back to basics. Right here, I have 2 large cucumbers. We might not use all. Maybe. We're gonna cut off over. They know these parts, we don't use them. And I'm gonna cut it in 2. One side now, I'm gonna peel half and half peeling. The other side, I'm not. I'm just gonna go straight right in green. So this is how we're going to do this side. Right? Get right in, let them see. Right in, are you in? Okay. We're gonna take it down. And we're gonna take out the seeds. Why? We're gonna add a dressing. Remember inside here the seed. Cucumber, when you use it with the seed, it's really watery. And we have the dressing already. We don't really want all that seed and all the mushiness there. We want to get a crunch when we finish with the salad. Right guys? So we just go slip out with seed our cucumber. Yeah? We don't want no whole heap of extra juice in it. We want the whole heap of crunch. Because when this little vinaigrette or this dressing go to it, it's gonna be more water. So we're gonna do it like this. This is how I do mine. This is my version. So we're going to cut in 2. Right? Some people cut in chunks. I don't think I want to cut in chunks. I want to do it like this. I don't want it any thicker. This is how I want it. Because you want when the dressing go to it and you marinate it, the dressing don't take a long time to go through. Right? So we're doing it like this. Right along. And we get this out. Right? Remember to take out as much of the seeds as you can get out. Because we don't want the whole heap of water. Now, we're not going to peel this other half. Because we're looking for a little color. You know? We're looking for, some farmer little presentation, little prettiness and all of that. You know? Take out as much of the seeds as you can. Right out. We don't want the seeds them in there. Too much mushiness. Because you know cucumber is something that is crunchy. So we want to retain that crunch. So we're going right along. It's the same size as we chop the other part that we peeled. Right? Right along. Same size. We don't want them too thick. We want them reasonable that the dressing can be marinated. So when you taste it, you taste the dressing straight to the core when you're eating your salad. Careful though, you know. You must be using a sharp knife, but be careful. Be careful. Right? Look at it. Okay, we have some tomatoes here. We're gonna go right down. And we're going to treat them basically on the same way. We're gonna take out the seeds. We're trying to get out, because you know this even have more water than the cucumber, right? Right in. So we're taking out the seeds. We're taking out right here, like the core, and then we're gonna take out the seeds. So you just scoop. If you have a knife, a small scoop, like some kind of spoon where they use to scoop out, feel free. But me can use my knife. But for all of you, alright. So we're just gonna go along with another one. Next patient, same treatment. Right in. We're getting out the seeds. We don't want the whole heap of water. If you come water it down and wash it down. You understand? It's not a soup-based salad, you know. It's just like, you know, just a regular salad. Okay. So we're going to do it tomato like this. Get in on it, let them see what we're doing with tomato. Not too thin, not too thick either. Right? Look a part here. Remember, we're taking out that. Not too thin, not too thick. Okay? But remember, your knife must be sharp and you must be careful. Okay. This is what we look like. This is what we look like. And we look like we could do a little more tomato. So we're going to use another one. Because we want to get them like, you know, we don't want the cucumber outnumber the tomato. And we don't want the tomato outnumber the cucumber. Right here. Okay. Let's go again. Okay, I think this will be it. I think this does it. Alright. Now right here we have a small white onion and we're going to shred. We're going to do some shredding on the onion. Use a serrated knife. Shredded, 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 shredded onion rings. Use a serrated knife. It's easier to get it sliced thinner. We want crunch. Mostly crunch we're looking for in this. Now you're going to do them right across like this and you're going to rinse them out. So what we're looking for is basically something like this. Zoom right in. This is what we're basically looking for. Okay. Right? So I think to the amount of cucumber and tomato that we have, that amount of onion would be fine. I would think. Now we're gonna move on to our dressing. Right? Remember we left it to chill, so we're gonna move on to it. Zoom right in and let them see. Right in. Now to our dressing now, we're gonna add 3 dashes of salt. 1, 2, 3. No more. 3 dashes of salt. Right in. The dressing is cold, so we're gonna pour over. But mind you, we ain't gonna pour all to the amount that we have. So now, look at it. Look at it. So you're just going to use your tongue, or you're going to use two, like your wooden spoon and your wooden fork, and you're gonna mush it up. Why I cut them this thing? The one when the dressing go on it to marinate, it don't take a long time. Because when you cut them in chunks, they take so long to be marinated and you're not getting the real taste of the salad. Now we're gonna pour into our bowl that we're gonna serve in. Remember, family, you never serve in the bowl that you mix in. Never serve in the bowl that you mix or you toss the salad in. Okay? So we're gonna come right here and we're gonna get our salad right in like this. Right? This is a cool dish. So when you put it like this now, you might want to leave it in the refrigerator for probably an half an hour. Yeah. So this is it. This is how we have it. This is how it looks. Get right in. And we're gonna clear the area. Okay? Right. We're gonna try to clear up the area right here real fast. Because I want to show you another little way how you can get yourself in on this one. Right? You know I always do a little twist and little turn to my something. So we're gonna show you how you can get another little thing done onto this one. So we're gonna clean up real fast. But in the meantime, wow, we are always making little accidents and stuff. But you know how that go. Right? Our kitchen with them I always telling you. Now to this one here. We have a cucumber. We're gonna take off a chunk of it. and we're gonna put it in 2, right? If for whatever reason you want to have your seeds, you write in on it, let them see. You're gonna do it like this, and then you can do it like this. Most people doing these salads, they cut it in chunks like this. Yeah? Okay. And you have your tomato, and they cut it in chunks like this as well. Okay, just gonna show you something. Now you have your toothpicks. So you take out a few of your toothpicks. Yeah, just get out a few, and you wanna put them on your toothpick. Yeah. Want some more toothpick. Just to show you another way how you can get, if you want your seeds in and for whatever reason you can do it. So you put it here, you put your toothpick in here, and you put it in there. And maybe we might just want one more toothpick, forget it. So we're gonna take another wedge of tomato, right? Because we know what with tomato are outnumber. Okay, out the way. These out the way. Out the way, out the way, out the way. Get right in now. Let them see what we're talking about. We had reserved a little our dressing here, right? So we're gonna pour it into this. We'll have it there. I'm going to get my fan off, because to this we want to add a little bit of dried parsley to the top, to top it off. We just put it at the top for decoration. We never want it to get involved in the dressing, so we're just topping it off with a reasonable little amount of dried parsley, and I think that does it for me. So you go to the whatever the function, the party, and you see this being served. Remember, this is a cold dish, you know. So what you can do, after you take it out the refrigerator, if you're going on the outside, you can get a cold bath, ice bath, and put it in another dish, you know, probably like this, and you pack some ice in there, and you put it on top of that, okay? And it will still keep cold. Because remember, you take it from the fridge and go outside, the temperature is gonna drop, and it's a cold dish. So you're gonna do it. You can do it like that, just showing you. So up here now, you go. Probably you're not a salad person. Some people not into salad, you know. But you see everybody going and just making much of this salad, and you want to try. What you can do, you can just come and you can take your tomato. I don't use any of the onions, because you know say onion they like that. You know, and you dip it in there, you know, and you swirl it around a little. Wow. I made a mess. It's good. And you take your cucumber. I guess it will be even, it will be even better with the cucumber. And there you can try it like that. And there you have it. From my kitchen to yours, cucumber and tomato summer salad. Listen to me, guys, you need to try this. This vinaigrette, this dressing, it is the bomb. It's the first I've tried it, and I don't regret it. It is the bomb. I will be using this for my salads from now on, right? If you like this video, you can give it a thumbs up. See, I made a mess here, but that's how it goes our kitchen with it. You can leave your comments below, and you need to turn on your notification. It's summer, so you know we're going to continue with some salads in between, in the interim as we go along. And remember to turn on your notification. And again, from my kitchen to yours, it's cucumber and tomato salad with the bomb vinaigrette. Listen to me, man. Try this, and when you do so, let me know. A Debbie from down a yard. Boom.